What is up, you guys, and welcome to day 2 of our trip to Los Angeles and the Vid Summit YouTube conference. What's up? Anybody want to be in my video?
Sure.
What's your YouTube channels? Everybody give us a shout out.
Michael Mansell, the guy who turned a shed into an epic home theater.
There we go. No?
Isaac Carlson, talk about Disney on YouTube.
What's the channel? Isaac Carlson?
Yep, Isaac Carlson.
Check it out, guys. So I have all these tables set up. Like, here's a table for Mr. Beast. You can sign up to work for him. This is Jelly Smack, which is, I don't even want to explain what it is. You guys don't have interest in it if you're not a YouTuber. You got Peter McKinnon's table down there. The Deity microphone guys. I actually met with Andrew, who is the creator of the Deity microphone. Talked with him for like 15 minutes yesterday. He actually gave us one for free, like a $100 mic. We got a table for aperture lights over here, which are crazy expensive but high quality YouTube lights. It's just a really cool place to meet people and meet brands. So we actually just got recognized at this conference. I did not think that was going to happen, but shout out, what was your name again?
What's up, guys? My name is Corey. My channel is Mission Side Hustle. About 42,000 subscribers, 80,000 views a month, and I saw this guy and just knew I had to come say hi to him real quick.
That is awesome. He just walked. He's like, "Are you Hairytornado?" I was like, "Yes, I am." It's so nice to meet. We get recognized a lot in like thrift stores and flea markets and stuff, but at this conference, like, everybody is so much cooler than us. It feels like, so it's awesome to be recognized. But yeah, check out his channel. I want to try to give you guys an idea of like the different calibers of creators that are here. Some people have millions of subscribers, some people have 0. And so I'm just gonna take the next couple minutes in this vlog to show you guys some of the people we can meet just walking around.
What's up? I'm Isaiah Photo, 1.3 million subscribers, and we do about 70 million views a month.
Found this guy. Who are you?
Hey, how's it going? I'm Jack Selby. I host the Iced Coffee Hour podcast with Graham Stephan. And the only thing better than 20-cent iced coffee is free coffee right over there. Thank you, everyone.
Love it, love it. Jack, man, and Graham Stephan is right over there somewhere. We'll see if we can get him on camera. Graham, could I bother you for like 20 seconds?
Hey, what's up?
My name's Josh, Hairytornado. I'm trying to do a vlog to show like the different types of creators. So here, I already got Jack. Could I just get you introducing yourself for 1 second?
Yeah.
Okay, great. You're good.
Cool. Hey, it's Graham, and we got Savannah Smiles.
Perfect.
Hey.
Thanks, Ann. Good to meet you.
Appreciate it. Thanks.
I was super nervous talking to Graham, but when I talked to Jack, I was like, is Graham going to be like annoyed if I like come up to him and bother him? And Jack was like, no, he's fine. He'll do it for you. He was super nice. I'm like, really I'm shaking a little bit right now. That was cool. So we got Sean Duras right here.
Hello. My name's Sean Duras. I have a best day ever every day. I've had like over 1,500 best days ever. And then I also run a channel with my family and my daughter called A for Oddly.
Love it.
Has, I don't know, over 1 million subscribers. It's fun.
Awesome, awesome. Good to meet you, man.
Yeah.
We got this guy. Who are you?
Hello, I'm Connor Ekdahl. Yeah, I make videos about escaping boredom.
Escaping boredom?
Yeah, like random or just extreme things that most people don't do when they're bored.
Awesome.
So, like,
how many subs do you have?
Right now I'm at 1,000.
Awesome.
So,
Love
yeah,
it, man.
keep
This is a
it
good
up.
place to be.
I'm Ryan from the Grill Top Experience. I do outdoor grilling, barbecue, and a lot of things anytime cooking in your backyard. We've got about 18,000 subscribers. I'm excited to learn more here at Vid Summit.
How many subs do you have?
We have 234,000 subscribers.
234,000. How many monthly views are you getting?
Right now we're getting about 1 million views a month.
Awesome. And what's your content about again?
It's about finances, credit cards, how people can invest in real estate.
Awesome.
So that's what we do.
That's awesome that you're getting so much traction in such a congested field right now. Like, everybody's making finance and content around that.
Funny enough, I forgot to mention, so we have 2 audiences, one in English, one in Spanish. In the English version is a little bit tougher because there's a lot of information around the field. But the Spanish one is much easier because there's not much competition that we have right now.
Yeah.
So that's why we have in one channel more subscribers than the other one.
Love it. Love it. Good to meet you, man.
Hi, so I'm Heather Austin from Professor Heather Austin on YouTube. And right now my channel has 171,000 subscribers. I teach mainly career content, so if you ever need to write a resume or learn how to use LinkedIn or interview well for a job, that's my channel. So
awesome. How many views are you guys getting a month?
I don't even know.
It's doing well. I've seen your channel.
It's doing okay. A lot of my content's evergreen, so I'll get views. Like, videos I'm putting out now will continue to get views for like 2 to 3 years down the line.
That's perfect.
So yeah.
Perfect. Awesome. Another really cool thing they're doing here at Vid Summit is VidIQ back here. It's like an add-on for your channel, so you can get like a deeper look at your analytics. And there are professional YouTube analytic people back here that are giving you free channel reviews. Haley and I were able to sit down with one of the guys back here. We looked at our channel, looked at analytics, gave us some really good feedback about how we could grow and a couple things we could work on. It was really, really helpful. So this is a huge benefit to coming to a place like this. Just introduce yourself, to say who you are, what your channel is.
Oh yeah, my name is Brian. I do Roblox gaming channels. I have 800,000 subscribers. I do kids content. I guess I do Minecraft as well. Another channel with like 200,000 subscribers.
How long did it take you to build to 800,000?
About 6 months.
6 months?
Yeah. Then the second Minecraft channel was like 2 months.
So you have 2 channels with how many subscribers on the second channel?
250,000.
So you've built 2 channels with a total of over 1 million subscribers in 6 months.
Yeah.
That's incredible.
That is, that's wild, man.
Yeah, just like figuring it out. Gaming channels, like I used to do like compilation channels and stuff like that. And I figured gaming was like something I could entertain kids more.
Yeah.
It was like something I was more passionate about it, so I switched to gaming and it's worked out. I figured it out.
Yeah, it's worked out, man. That's awesome. Nice to meet you.
It's nice to meet you as well, man.
What's up, guys? If I want to do my video, just shout out your YouTube channels.
Purple Hair Guy.
Purple Hair Guy, okay.
Easy Speezy.
Okay.
And Lax Chris.
Awesome. How many subscribers do you guys have?
20,000?
20,000.
1.3 million.
1 point. Look at that! Look at that right there! That's crazy. What was your channel again?
Easy Speezy. My lanyard.
Awesome. Yes, we're going. I'm distracted. So I do want to give you guys like a little synopsis about our VidSummit trip and like what we learned and what I think would help you guys if you're wanting to be a YouTuber or grow a YouTube channel or really grow any other aspect of your business outside of reselling. But I want to include a strictly business professional review of California's Disneyland in today's video. Again, IRS, this is not for fun. This is not going to be something we're going to enjoy, strictly business. We just got in the gate. I would rank that process of waiting in line and getting our ticket an 8 out of 10, strictly business. What about you?
I need to stop smiling so that they know that
So they don't think we're having fun. This is our first look at Cinderella's castle in Disneyland, and I'll say it's like kind of disappointing on a it's like we're used to the one in Florida. The one in Florida is like at least 4 or 5 times bigger than this one, but it's still okay. I'll give it a 6 out of 10. What do you think about the castle? Oh, hey duck. What do you think about that duck? Snow White ride was a solid 7 out of 10. We're in Star Wars land. Pretty interesting from a business perspective. It's the actual Millennium Falcon that they used in all 14 Star Wars films. You better not be enjoying this. Okay. Haley doesn't like the stormtroopers. So we stopped at this breakfast depot thing in Star Wars land, and I got this purple drink, which I've just finished, but what's it called?
He couldn't pronounce it.
It's like mealrenin juice? I don't know. It's like lemonade and like cranberry juice and lemon juice. I don't know. It's delicious though. It was $6, but business expense. I will give Haunted Mansion a 8 out of 10. It was like Jack Skellington themed, and we can't tell if it's like that all the time or if they just do that for Halloween. So drop a comment on somebody and let us know if that's normal. It seemed like there was a lot in there. Like if they have to do that every year for Halloween, that seems like a ton of work. But it was pretty good.
Green Squadron will retrieve the power cells, while the rest of you concentrate on those robots.
Let's see who gets the best score. I had 27,800.
We are eternally grateful.
Haley had 53,800. That's crazy. I'm gonna give the Buzz Lightyear ride a 9 out of 10. That's pretty fun. I forgot the name of this ride. Autopia? Autopia? I'm gonna go ahead and give this a 3 out of 10.
Watch your head, watch your step. And look to the left. That is a 500-pound tiger. Jumps up to 20 feet. We are only 15 feet away, so it just jumped right over us.
So our plan was to stay at Disneyland all day until we saw the fireworks. And it's currently 3:07 p.m. and we're waiting for an Uber because we are exhausted.
It's been a long week.
It has been a very long week. Hey, what's up, man? So order for Josh.
Thank you very much, sir.
Awesome, thank you.
Yes, sir.
Have a great night.
Thanks.
Absolutely. We have been eating so much Uber Eats this week. It's ridiculous. Morning. How are you?
Very good. What's your line?
Is it Delta? I think it's Delta. So So our plane leaving Los Angeles was delayed because of fog, and we almost missed our connecting flight here in Atlanta. But
Yes, we've been running and we're out of breath.
it sucks with this mask on, but I think we made it. This is our gate. Everybody's just chilling. Good to go. So obviously we made it back to South Carolina in one piece, and I want to share with you guys 3 takeaways that I got from this VidSummit YouTube conference that can apply to your YouTube channel, but you can also apply it to your reselling business if you don't have a channel. So number 1 is going to be something that I learned from Sean Cannell. He's the main guy behind the Think Media YouTube channel, where they talk about how to grow on YouTube and thrive and profit ultimately. And his discussion was about how people are scared to invest in their business. They want to wait until they feel ready. And he's like, if you do that, you're never going to hire anyone or invest in any part of your business. And a quote that he used in this section of his discussion was, scared money don't make money. So never feel scared to invest in something that you're passionate about. Obviously, you want it to be a calculated investment. You don't just want to go wasting money away. But he was saying, he talked to a YouTuber that was making like 20 grand a month, and he didn't want to hire an editor. He was overwhelmed with editing, but he's like, I can't afford an editor. And he's like, dude, you're making 20 grand a month on YouTube. You can hire a freaking editor, man. That's such a small part of the job that will make it so much easier for you to handle. In the same way in the reselling business, I've seen some people that are selling 10 things a day, and they're scared to invest in a thermal printer for like 150 bucks. I'm like, do you have any idea how much time you can save with 10 to 15 orders a day by using a thermal printer instead of a regular printer? And I'm not saying you have to have a thermal printer, but anybody that has invested in a thermal printer will tell you that it is one of the best things you could possibly buy for your business. We personally use the Rollo thermal printer, and I think it was like 180 bucks or so, and it's the best money we've ever spent in our business, other than this VidSummit YouTube conference, obviously. So again, scared money don't make money. If you want to grow and make more money in the future, you've got to be willing to invest in things now, even if you don't feel ready, because if you wait until you feel ready, you're never going to be ready. Number 2 is one of my favorite takeaways, and what makes it even cooler is that it's not something that somebody said, it's something that I noticed by looking at people around me. So you've got people like Mr. Beast. He came to the conference the first day to speak. He showed up in an all gray sweatshirt, just a plain gray sweatshirt, gray sweat shorts, and white Adidas. He looked like the most basic guy you've ever met in your life. And there's other YouTubers with 200,000, 300,000 subscribers that are making a little bit of money on YouTube, but they're certainly not millionaires. And they're at the conference wearing Balenciagas and Gucci and those really expensive name brand clothings like that. I just thought it was so funny that we got Mr. Beast, who's an actual millionaire over here, lives in North Carolina, didn't move to LA to be a YouTuber, kept everything based in North Carolina, showing up to a YouTube conference in all gray sweat clothes. And he's just a normal guy. He was sitting over there by himself, no security or anything like that. And I just love to see that difference between Mr. Beast, who's an actual millionaire helping people, dressing very basically like that, and these other, typical YouTubers that are spending all their money on the appearance of looking like a YouTuber. So that's something I kind of took away. Like in any business, whether it be reselling or YouTube, make sure you're investing in things that help your business, not help your image. Mr. Beast invests millions of dollars per month into making more YouTube videos for his channel, but he's obviously not investing that much in like the image. Maybe he has a nice car or something, but in terms of clothes, he's very, very basic, not like these other smaller YouTubers that will probably never grow to be anything significant, because it seems to be they're wasting all of their money on these very frivolous, worldly things. So again, whether it be YouTube or reselling, make sure you're investing in your business, not in things that just you want to impress others with, I guess. My third and final takeaway is to never think you aren't big enough. Whether we start on YouTube or eBay, we all start with nothing. We have no customers, no sales, no audience, no viewers. We all have to figure out a way to grow our own business to where we want to be. One of the classes we attended was talking about how even small YouTubers can get really big brand deals if they know how to work it correctly. And one of the examples they used was this guy and his wife. They were probably in their 50s or so, and they had a YouTube channel about their farm. It was like a 70-acre hobby farm, even though that was the joke, that 70 acres is not a hobby. But they were just vlogging the whole process, their daily process of running their farm. And I think when he had 6,000 or 7,000 subscribers on his YouTube channel, which is a lot, but not really, like it's not that much. And he was able to get a brand deal with this tractor company. I don't forget what it's called, like Branson Tractor or something. Obviously not John Deere, but at 6,000 subscribers, they gave him a $31,000 tractor to use for free on his farm, however he he saw fit. It was just like, that was just a channel sponsor. They're like, yeah, take it, use it, whatever. Just make sure you just give us some shout outs every time you're using it in your video. At 6,000 subscribers, he got a $31,000 tractor. And that is a serious brand deal. I've personally never had a $31,000 brand deal, and we've got over 150,000 subscribers. So obviously we aren't doing something right. But I just love that. I love that class because it talked about, it's not about numbers. It's about your influence. That guy was in the tractor community, that tractor company or whatever really wanted to break into it and get some advertising on a really local and personal level, and they saw that connection. They both thought it would be profitable to work together, and it worked out. So again, never feel like you aren't small. Never feel like you aren't big enough. We all start from zero, and there are multiple ways to make it to the top. So there you have it, guys. That was part 2 of our trip to Los Angeles, California, and a quick summary of the VidSummit YouTube conference. If you have enjoyed today's video at all we ask is that you take a couple seconds and hit that like button for us down below. And if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below as well. Thank you guys again for watching. You're the best, and we'll catch you on the next one.